Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Theory Guru. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the earliest and most widely used software development approach, the waterfall model. If you are preparing for exams, interviews, or just want a strong foundation in software engineering, this video is for you. Okay. Waterfall model in software engineering. The waterfall model is one of the earliest SDLC models. It follows a linear and sequential approach where each phase must be completed before moving to the next. See, what is the waterfall model? The waterfall model is a sequential design process where the project flows step by step like a waterfall. Once you finish one stage you can't go back. Okay, you move to the next stage. That's why it is called the linear sequential life cycle model, means waterfall model. This model was introduced in the 1970s and was one of the first structured approach to software development. It's simple, disciplined, and follows a logical order. Okay. Then phases of waterfall model. Requirement analysis: collect and document all software requirements. See, now let's break down the main phase of the waterfall model. First is requirement analysis. See, in this phase all system requirements are gathered from the client. Okay, then these are documented in a software requirement specification, means SRS. The success of the project depends heavily on this first stage, means requirement analysis. Then system design: create architecture, system design, and database design. See, based on the requirements the system architecture is created. High level design, means HLD, defines module, and low level design, means LLD, defines detailed logic, data structure, and algorithms. Okay. Third is implementation coding. Developers write code based on the design. See, developers now write actual code in small modules. Each module is tested individually, single-handedly, before integrating them together. Okay. Then testing: test the software for bugs, errors, and requirement mismatches. See, once coding is complete the system undergoes rigorous testing. The goal is to find and fix defects. Okay, and ensures the software matches the requirements. Then deployment: deliver the finished product to the customer. See, after successful testing the product is deployed to the client environment. Users start working with the software. Then maintenance: fix issues, update, and enhance the software after release. See, this phase deals with fixing issues reported by users, applying upgrades, and making modification as per new needs. Okay. Diagram of waterfall model: first is requirements, then design, then implementation, then testing, then deployment, and then maintenance. Advantages of waterfall model: simple and easy to understand, well structured and disciplined approach, clearly defines stages and deliverables, best for small projects with fixed requirements, easy to manage due to its sequential nature. See, advantages of waterfall model. See, very simple and easy to understand. Then structured and disciplined approach. works best for small projects with clearly defined requirements. Each phase has clear deliverables and review process. Then disadvantages of waterfall model. Rigid. Once a phase is complete, changes are difficult, not suitable for complex or long-term projects. High risk if requirements are unclear at the start. Late testing issues may be discovered only after coding. Poor adaptability to changing customer needs. See, first is very rigid. Once you finish a phase, you cannot go back. Okay, not suitable for complex or changing requirements. Then testing happens late. Bugs found at this stage are expensive to fix. Delays can occur if requirement gathering is not perfect. In short, the waterfall model is like building a house step by step. Once you pour the foundation, you can't go back and change it easily. See, when to use the waterfall model? The waterfall model is best when requirements are well understood, okay, and unlikely to change. The project is small and simple. The customer has a clear vision of the product from the start. So to summarize this, the waterfall model is a linear step by step approach that is great for simple projects but not flexible enough for modern dynamic environments. That's it for today's video. Thank you.